Hello everyone, my name is Esdras Isaías Acosta Orellana, and my teacher's name is Maria Eugenia Mondragon Hill. Today I am going to share my daily routine with you. Let's get started. Well, during the week, I always wake up early. I usually get up of bed at 6 a.m. in the morning. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water and then I take a shower. After that, around 7 a.m., I have breakfast. I normally have coffee and eggs. I never skip breakfast because I need the energy. In the afternoon, my stool gets a bit busy. I usually study from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. But at 2 p.m., I always take a break to have lunch. I sometimes eat out with friends, but I prefer home cooked meals. Finally, in the evening, I like to relax. I get home around 6 and 30 p.m. I often watch a TV show or read a book. Then at 8 p.m., I have a light dinner. I rarely stay up late. I usually go to sleep at 10 and 30 p.m. to rest well for the next day. And that is my daily routine. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.